Hello friends, welcome to class. Hope you are all keeping safe. Today we are going to be learning about proportion. Can you recognize this? This is a bottle of water and written on it is 75 cl, which is 75 centiliter. This is a bottle of hand sanitizer. Written on it is 60 ml, 60 milliliters. Now, why are those measurements important? And how do we convert them? How do we convert from centiliter to milliliter? And how do we convert from milliliter to centiliter, or from centiliter to liter, or from milliliter to liter? We use what we are going to learn about today, that is called proportion. But we need to learn about ratio before learning about proportion. Last week we learned about ratio, so let's quickly go over it again. The ratio is the comparison of two numbers by division. We looked at a classroom having boys to girls. Here is 16 boys and 12 girls. So the ratio is 4:3. For every 4 boys, we are going to have 3 girls. Ratios can also compare two unlike things. Sean earned 40 naira in 5 hours. So we're comparing naira to hours, which will be 40 over 5, which will be 8 over 1, or 8:1. Every 8 naira is equivalent to 1 hour. When the denominator is 1, this is called a unit rate. Now let's look at the classroom again. So ratios can be part to part, comparing the boys to the girls. Ratios can also be part to whole, comparing the boys to the total number of students. Proportion. Proportion is a statement that says two ratios are equal. We can also call proportions equivalent fractions. When two fractions are equivalent, or when two fractions are equal, they represent a proportion, and they also represent two equal ratios. Let's look at an example. In an election, Damon got 3 votes for each 2 votes that Shannon got. Damon got 72 votes. How many votes did Shannon get? So we discover in this question that for every 3 votes that Damon had, Shannon got 2, which is 3:2. So forming an equivalent fraction, we have for Damon 3, and on the side of Damon we have 72. On the side of Shannon we have 2. On the side of Shannon again we have n, what we are looking for. So we can use a cross product, or what in lay parlance they say you cross multiply, and you will get n equals to 48. So Shannon got 48 votes. Another example. Tires cost 2 for 75 naira. How much will 4 tires cost? Now, we will discover in proportion, we usually have what we call word fractions. Now, the word fraction here is tire over cost. So we're going to have 2 over 75 equals to 4 over n. Using our cross product, we're going to get n equals to 150. So 4 tires cost 150. Here again, we're looking at equivalent fractions. 2/8 equals to 6/n. So when you have problems like this, you use the cross product, and we discover that n is equal to 24. Now, before we talk about our assignment, we discovered that engineers, this is a tape measure used by engineers. It's also used by architects, and you are going to see feet and meters. To convert from feet to meters or from meters to feet, you need the knowledge of proportion. Even doctors and nurses need the knowledge of proportion to convert from grams to either CL or ML. Now, this is the assignment you are going to try for me. 3 cans of soup cost 5 naira. How much will 12 cans cost? Thank you.